Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to Shopify store permissions, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your Shopify store permissions, first, log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. Click on Users and Permissions in the settings menu. Review the list of all users currently associated with your store. Identify the user whose permissions you want to restore. If the user is not listed, you may need to invite them back by selecting Add Staff. For existing users, click on their name to access their permission settings. Check the current permissions assigned to this user. To restore or update permissions, adjust the settings as necessary. Ensure you grant the correct access levels, such as Manage Apps or View Reports, based on the role they will perform. Once you have made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to apply the new permissions. If you invited a new staff member, follow the prompts to complete their invitation and set their permissions accordingly. Verify that the user has received the invitation email if you added new staff. Instruct them to accept the invitation to regain access. Finally, log out and ask the user to log in to confirm their restored access and permissions. Regularly review and update user permissions as your team and store needs evolve. By following these steps, you can ensure proper access management within your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.